Ever wish there was a faster, cleaner way to export your contacts on LinkedIn without manually copying and pasting? Because let's be honest, nobody has time for that. Well, the good news is, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export your contacts from LinkedIn into a single Excel file. And the best part, it's free and takes under 5 minutes. Oh, and stick around till the end because I'm going to show you how to pull additional information, including their emails. So let's dive in. So first, open up LinkedIn and click on your profile picture at the top. From here, click on Settings and Privacy. And on the left-hand side of your screen, you're going to see Data Privacy. Click on that, and then where it says Get a copy of your data, click on that. And now from here, you have two options. You can either choose to request all of your information, including your connections, imported contacts, things like that, or you can choose to select specific information that you would like to download from LinkedIn. However, you cannot choose specifically your connections. So if you want to export your connections, make sure you choose the first option. So once you select all your data, click Request Archive. Now, this process says it may take up to 24 hours to retrieve your data. Sometimes it may only take 10 minutes. So grab a drink and come back to this video once you get that email notification. Oh, look at that. I got the email. All right, so now that 10 minutes have passed and you got that email, for some of you, maybe 24 hours, let's go open the email and see what's inside. When you first open up the email, there should be a link to download your archive. Click on that link, and then you should be redirected to LinkedIn's page where you can click on the button to download that file. This file is going to be a zip folder, so locate that, right-click it, extract that file, and once you open up that file, you'll see that there's a list of all your data. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to focus on the main one, which is the connections CSV file. Open this file up on either Excel or import it into Google Sheets. Now you can see all your contacts information, including their LinkedIn profiles, company names, job titles, date you connected with them. And this list even includes some of your contacts' emails. And the reason you only see some email addresses being displayed is because those people have that setting turned on where they allow other people in their network to see and download their emails. Everyone else has that setting turned off. So unfortunately, if you're looking for someone's email, you would not be able to get it from LinkedIn. Or can you? I'm about to reveal how you can find your connections' emails even if they have that setting on private. And please don't hate me if your old classmates sneak into your inbox. So first, go to prospio.io and create a free account. Once you have that all set up, go to Email Finder in your dashboard. Here's where you have two options. If you're looking for a specific contact's email, use the Unique Finder option. You will have to input their full name and the company that they currently work at. It's also important to note that it's better to use their company's domain name for more accurate results instead of just the company name. So for example, let's say I wanted to find Sebastian's email. So I would copy and paste his name. Then I would copy and paste his company. Oh, found it. So copy this link, paste it into the Unique Email Finder, click on Find Email Address. And there you go. I found Sebastian's email. And guys, please do not spam Sebastian. This is for demonstration purposes only. Now, let's say you want to find email addresses for all your connections on LinkedIn. Instead of manually finding their domains and copying and pasting one by one, there's a much faster and simpler method. Let me show you how. For this, we're going to be using the Social Enrichment Bulk Finder tool on Prospio. So you can find that on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on that, click on Start a New Bulk. Now go back into your CSV, click on the first cell of the LinkedIn URLs, press Control-Shift down so that you can select all those cells at once. Copy all of those URLs, and now go back into Prospio and paste that list on the right-hand side. Now name your bulk whatever you want. Make sure you check this box so that you're avoiding those duplicates and you're making your outreach a lot more organized. So from here, click on Start My Bulk. All right, once that bulk is done, you can choose your format, whether you want a CSV or an Excel file. I recommend choosing valid-only emails if you're planning to cold email, because this is going to help protect your domain reputation and you don't want to be marked as spam. Then you can also pick and choose which data points you would like to include in that file. So if you're planning to import this into your CRM, this makes formatting everything just so much easier and cleaner. Click on download And now open up that CSV file on Excel or Google Sheets. And wow, when you look at that, all your contacts with their emails and about 30 to 40 additional data points. Isn't that crazy? Look at the difference between what LinkedIn gave us versus what we have now. Now you know how to export all your LinkedIn contacts for free, including their email addresses. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.